Good morning, happy Monday. It's Mark from Redi-Mix Colors. We are on the road this morning and we're going to see Matt and Nate from United Concrete. They're pouring a stamped concrete patio with some RMC dark gray pigment in the mix. And we're going to go have a look, see how it's going. All right, we've arrived on site. The mixer is here and it looks like they're bugging this one.
This patio was poured last year. There's some discoloration from the salt water pool. We will be adding some color to that and sealing it up.